Oh. Oh. That's nice. Hi everyone, this is Adam from Expert Zone UK and Ireland with another unboxing video for you. And the next 3 unboxing videos we're going to do are all based on Samsung devices. Now, I've been waiting for these for a long time. They came out in the UK a couple months ago and they were available for the first time in the UK this year. And today we're going to be unboxing this. This is the Samsung Galaxy Book S. This is one that I'm very excited to try. It's a premium Windows 10 laptop designed for on the go. And today we're going to get it out of the box. We'll start with the box itself, which is in itself slick. You see there's nothing on the back here apart from the labels keeping it sealed. It's all just on this front cover, and if you didn't really know what we were covering today, you certainly do now. It is the Book S. Pretty simple stuff, very nice indeed. But we're not here to look at the box itself, we're here to look at what's inside the box. So let's do just that. As we take the lid off here, we have the Galaxy Book S. And the first thing you're gonna notice right off the bat is just how light this thing is. It's extremely thin. I don't know if you can see that there. It's actually thinner than my finger, which is insane. In terms of weight as well, it's about 950 grams, which is less than like your usual bag of sugar kind of territory. So that is extremely light, really easy to take around in a bag, under your arm, whatever the case might be. We're gonna set this to one side for a moment so that we can take a look at what's actually inside the box. So let's see what we've got here. We have our power adapter itself, which is USB Type-C. That is a UK standard plug right there. Will vary by region, of course. We have an adapter. So this laptop only has USB-C for its ports. So we have a USB-C to USB-A adapter. Very nice indeed. What else have we got in here? I believe this middle part is going to be our quick guide instructions. Yes, it is. You've got all your quick start stuff in there. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And here we have something really handy. So not only do you get a USB-C to USB-A adapter, you also get a USB-C to HDMI adapter. That is extremely useful, especially if you're going around maybe doing presentations, having to connect to second screens, or you just want to connect to a second screen at home. That is some seriously useful stuff right there. Last thing in here, this has to be the cable, surely. Yes, it is. We have our USB-C cable, if we get that out there. Quite a long one as well, actually. That's quite sizable. See if I can get that out. That is a good, I want to say 2 meter long cable that comes with this. So that is really handy. Too many devices these days comes with a really short cable, which I always don't really see the point in, but hey, there you go. That is that anyway. So let's put that box to one side. Now, if we head back to this beauty, let's actually get it out of this material here. Oh, that is nice. That is very pretty. That is extremely pretty. We have the Samsung logo over on the left here. Let's check out the port situation that we have on this as well. So you have over on this side a single USB-C port along with a headphone jack. On the other side, another single USB-C port once again. These are not Thunderbolt 3, but I believe they are the regular USB-C ports, but still brilliant for if you are having to charge up the device. It does come with a USB-C charger as well, of course, and transferring files, connecting to video screens, stuff like that. And remember as well, of course, that you do get those adapters in the box as standard. So one for your USB-A accessories and then one for HDMI as well. So you're not left completely out of the woods there. It's all good. Let's open this baby up. Hang on. Yes. Oh. That's nice. That's very nice. The screen itself, this is a 13.3-inch Full HD LED display. It's a touch panel as well. It's not HDR, but it does. Samsung has technology in here for HDR Plus to give you that effect. And you also have 2 modes of brightness, one of which is an outdoor mode, which puts up to 600 nits of brightness via a shortcut. If you have no idea what a nit is, don't worry, neither do I. It's really, really bright. That's pretty much all you need to know. Now, Samsung refer to this as a mobile PC, taking all the advantages of smartphones and putting it into a computing device that is both fast and ultra light as well. Now, we've seen this before. The other version of the Samsung Galaxy Book S, it features a Qualcomm processor where you have support for LTE, but this one here has an Intel Core i5 processor, but it's not just any Intel Core i5, it's got Intel's hybrid technology, which is something that we'll be looking at when we do a full overview of this thing, but in short, it's the reason why this device can be fanless and so thin while still taking advantage of everything you can with Windows. Other thing to mention as well, no LTE here, but you do have Wi-Fi 6 as standard. Elsewhere here, you can't really see them that well, but there's some little slits here which has AKG stereo speakers for support with Dolby Atmos. You've also got an internal dual array digital microphone with a 1 megapixel camera for your video calling delights as well. That sits right at the top in this tiny hole here. We also have a fingerprint sensor that is in the power button. That is for Windows Hello. That itself is sat within what they call their island type keyboard, which is also backlit as well. And that is that for now. That is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Book S. We are going to be doing a full overview video of this very, very soon. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you got the bell on for the notification when that pops up, and we'll see you soon.